In talking to homeowners, I'm saying that a lot of homeowners are getting really stressed out about the fact that their home may be going into foreclosure, or they're getting behind, and they've never been behind on any of their other payments.
Yep.
And so, you know, I'm just saying that they're getting really stressed out. Some people have lost jobs. Some people have to move and, you know, have this home that they don't know how to get it sold. And then you have homeowners that are just they're just lost in they lost all the equity in the house, or a lot of the equity in the house. What impact do you see of having that on people as far as making intelligent decisions?
Well, I think based on our experience, and we've been in this business for over 6 years, we find that people fall into a misinformation trap. And that is a trap where people don't know who to turn to. They are experiencing emotional stress, and it's carrying over to their family. And usually there's something that triggers the stress point, and whether that's a job loss of income, you know, spouse health issues, sometimes there's the death of a spouse, loss of a business. There's a number of factors that force people into foreclosure. In the last 2 years, we've seen people see their rates on their mortgage increase because they had adjustable rate mortgages. And that triggers the actual stress that we see with a homeowner. And then there's actually an emotional response as a result. So we actually see them go through different emotional stages. But when people are in this stage, they're seeking help from a number of sources. They turn to family, they'll turn to their attorney, they'll turn to their realtor. They talk to bankruptcy attorneys, and so what we find is that whoever they turn to, that person provides them that one solution. And so they talk to the attorney, and the attorney says, well, you need to file bankruptcy. If you talk to the realtor says you need to sell your house. If they turn to their mortgage broker will first attempt to do a refinance. What we like to provide, at least what services that we provide, is that we want to provide them all of their solutions and let them make an educated decision. Because what we find, though, is homeowners are already in a direction or decision direction that because they receive so much influence from one party, we're there to help them provide a balanced decision.
So it would be wise to go to someone that is more experienced in the process of the short sale or the foreclosure, because you can have attorneys that maybe only deal with real estate sales and closings, and you'll have an attorney that handles bankruptcy, and you have an attorney that handles probate. So it would be advisable to go to someone that possibly works with the foreclosure process.
Yes.
And the same with realtors and with the investors. And that's where you provide a lot of the information, because you've been doing this for so long that you've got the training available to help homeowners.
Yes, I think the foundation for any decision is to find education first, and to make sure that you have sought all avenues first before making decisions. So we always and highly recommend seeking legal counsel, you know, talking to your accountant. People don't understand that there is an impact possibly on their tax returns if they pursue a short sale or even a deed in lieu, because in some cases there will be deficiencies pursued from the lenders against the homeowner, so they need to have that type of advice before moving into it down that direction. So
yeah, I really agree that, you know, trying to get educated on the whole process first before you even make a decision is the most important thing to do. Dave, what is the best way to determine a solution for a homeowner?
Well, I think that the homeowner needs to work with an expert or a foreclosure, I wouldn't say expert, but maybe someone with experience, and come up with a plan. It's really what they need to find is they need to design a solution that's going to be tailored towards their specific situation. You know, usually with folks who have a temporary loss of income, there will be a different solution that would be best fit for them, because therefore they might be able to keep the home and be able to reinstate the mortgage with some type of a solution. And those solutions could involve refinancing the home, could also include a loan modification, a forbearance plan, or just even a loan from another party, whether it's the bank, or even a family member for that matter. But it's really important that once they review all their solutions, that they actually have a solution or a plan designed for them so they can solve the problem property. And so this is usually done through a normal process called a positive results conversation. This is one of the services that we provide, where an expert will lay the foundation of understanding, where the homeowner will understand not only all their options, but also they'll receive a blueprint of how long the process will actually take, and then what the different alternatives are, and how long that process will also take.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, in this session, I want to summarize that we've discussed the homeowner's options, the various options that you can take to help you make a decision into which is the best option for you. And then also we discussed to talk to a professional. You need to talk to a professional that's going to help you decide which option is best for you and develop a plan. In the next session, we're going to discuss the loss mitigation workout process and the short sale.